We'll guide you through how to fix a microSD card not showing up on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you've gone and connected it and put it into your computer and it's not showing up. So therefore you can't go and access the files on it. Perhaps it's from your camera or your phone, or it could even be the first time you're putting it in. We're keeping this guide broad and giving you some different things you can try doing. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So let's go and open up our File Explorer, and I'll press this PC to the left, and you can see in devices and drives, it's currently missing. So what we're going to do is we're going to close out of this for now. You want to go and press search at the bottom and go and type in format hard disk partitions, and you want to go and click there like so. This then goes and opens up. Now here we can go and manage these different disks here. You want to come down to this lower part here and scroll down and try and find it. I can see this is it here. You can identify it by the size of it. So what may be happening is if it goes and says unallocated here, you need to go and right click on it and press new simple volume and set it up. That's likely if you haven't gone and used it before, you'll need to go and set it up as a volume. But if you have and you can see the space here, then what you want to do is go and right click on it and you want to press change driver letter and paths. Now you can go and see at the moment it hasn't got a drive letter. So therefore it won't be showing up in File Explorer. So what you want to do is you want to go and press add, and you want to go and select assign the following drive letter and press the letter to the right. I'll just use D, and then go and press OK. And as you can see, it's now going to go and be there. And if we then go and open up File Explorer, we can come to this PC. You can see that it's now appearing here. So hopefully that solves it for you. If it doesn't know, what we can do is we can come and close out of this like so. If that still isn't working for you, or perhaps you couldn't see it in there, you want to go and press search at the bottom next, and you want to go and type in device manager and open it up. Now in here, what you need to do is you want to go down. You may go and see an option here for something like SD or SD host. If you don't worry, I don't either. We can come into storage controller, so pressing the arrow to the left, and we can go and find the SD here. So this is the SD controller, this is the reader. So what you want to do is go and right click on it, and you can press update driver. You can press search automatically for drivers, see if there's an update and see if it will then go and appear. If it is, great. If it still isn't, what we're gonna do is go and right click on this here, and we're gonna go and press uninstall device. You can leave that unchecked and press uninstall, go and wait. And then what you need to do after you've done that is come to the bottom and press the Windows Start button and go to the right, and you can go and press the power button. Then you want to go and restart it. Then hopefully when it comes back on, it's going to go and be appearing. Hopefully it now is. Now if it still isn't, it's worth going and checking the manufacturer of your computer drivers, as you may need to go and download them from their website in order to go and access SD cards. So search online for your laptop's make and model and SD card reader drivers and go and see if there's anything you need to download. Just make sure you go and get them from the official manufacturer if you can go and find any. But hopefully to help this video, you managed to go and solve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful.